The first step to cooking, you gotta get in the kitchen.
That meal looks delicious, doesn't it? You ignited, you sautéed, you seared, and you served. Wow, that tastes good. All for the love of cooking. And you cooked with All-Clad, the original bonded cookware. American-made and best in class. We bond, and we form, we etch, and we rivet. At least 24 hands crafted this pan. Look at that shine. Gorgeous, isn't it? And it cooks even better. From Canonsburg, Pennsylvania, straight to your kitchens. We make durable and high-performance cookware for all your kitchen adventures.
For people who love creating exceptional dishes, the journey from the kitchen to the table is more than just a process. It's a passion. And to indulge your culinary passion, Calphalon Signature Nonstick Cookware gives you professional performance with exceptional results. Featuring an exclusive durable sear nonstick metal utensil-safe surface, this beautifully crafted cookware combines nonstick convenience with the cooking performance and durability you typically only get from stainless steel. Enjoy perfecting your culinary techniques and unique recipes with cookware that offers the performance and flexibility you want in the kitchen. With a full lifetime warranty, Calphalon Signature Nonstick is so durable you can cook with metal spatulas, spoons, and whisks. With a sophisticated form and finish, Calphalon Signature Nonstick Cookware is made with the home chef in mind. Built with premium, high-quality materials, the sear nonstick surface evenly sears, browns, sautés, and seals in juices of meats, seafood, and vegetables, delivering the best possible cooking results every time. And Calphalon Signature Nonstick is dishwasher safe for easy, convenient cleanup. Calphalon Signature Nonstick, delivering professional performance and exceptional results.